Hello student, this is Tushar and welcome to Genius Print Education. So here in this video, I am going to tell you how to score more than 90% in your board examination 2020 and 21. Okay, 21. Before I begin, I will request all of you, please subscribe our channels and hit the bell icon so that you can get this entire notification regarding this video. Okay, so without wasting time, let's start. And another thing is that as a corona situation is started and it is second strain is also appeared in our country, so we have to stay in our homes for our safety, and we'll request to all of you, please don't go outside and don't panic about these examinations. Prepare yourself on your homes and try to boost yourself. Okay, let's start. I will discuss this strategy how to score 90 plus. Okay, so in that examinations, so what procedure I have to follow for getting this? See, I have applied this process to our offline batch, that means student also. They that means scored 90% or more, 90% by this way. So for that reasons I am that means giving this strategy to all of you to follow this method. I am sure you can also get that means more than 90% if you follow this method. Okay, so for our first strategy would be revision. Our first strategy would be revision. That means we have to revise the entire syllabus again and again. If you revise this, that means syllabus, what you have learned, it will make you a masters about these topics. So without, that means randomly choosing these different topics, that means this year to finish, this year to finish, etc., you have to revise what you have learned. These things will give you a extra energy in your examinations. So revisions is very important part of this. That means not only I am that means saying this in this video, if you search in different video of this YouTube, they will also that means say these things. My strategy, revisions is very important. Okay, so you have to revise your syllabus properly. And next things you have to do, you have to give mock test. Okay, mock test, it should be weekly. Okay, you have to give this mock test weekly. That means if you that means study under different institution or coaching centers or private, then please collect this mock test, or if it is not there, then you can collect different previous year paper or different that means papers from the CBSE, different books. You can give this mock test. Okay, mock test can give you that means sufficient time so that you can that means write your entire exams papers on this in a sufficient times. Okay, so it's a very important things giving this mock test. Without mock test you can't judge yourself that I have finished this whole writings in a particular period of times. Okay, so give this mock test in a weekly, first of all weekly, and then I'll request you to give this test day by day. This test will increase the speed of writing. So okay, and next things you have to follow is that you have to correct this mistake. Correct mistakes. Okay, mistake corrections is very important. Whenever you will that means give this examination, that means mock test or weekly test, then you will see that you have done different errors in these examinations. Then you have to correct this error what you have that means done in your exams. Okay, so these wrong things you should to clear, and you have to keep in mind that these errors will not again that means repeat again. Okay, so this error corrections is also an important part. If you follow this method, that means after giving test and correcting errors yourself, then you will not repeat these types of errors again. Okay, so first of all revise and then give mock test and then correct these mistakes. And next things that you have to do is that you have to make a register. Okay, you have to make a register. What is the register? Simply it's a book. Suppose it's a book, a copy. Suppose it's a copy. Here you have to mark as 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, and give a right marks here. That means how much part you have finished, give a right marks, and how much that means part is left to be finished. Okay, so after this mean daily revisions, then you can give a one right marks here by writing these different topics. And if you give these things, that means after 1 or 2 weeks you can see that these things have yet to finished, or these things you have finished. You can summarize these things together, okay, or you can analyze these things together. So this registration, that means making a register copy, is very important for these examinations, because in the, that means 11th hours, in the 11th hours you are not able to that means choose what I have finished, what you have not finished, etc. These things will make a very clumsy situation. So you should make a register copy, and here you should write this which part you have that means you have to finish, and which part you have to skip. So these things will make you a complete boosting power, and by following these things you can revise this entire syllabus also. Okay, so these things is also very important. And next is you have to motivate yourself. This is our next things. Motivate yourself means what? You have to motivate yourself. That means after reading 5-6 hours continuously, you will that means completely fed up, and that and for that reasons you are not able to give say full attention for your study. So for that reason you have to motivate yourself, so that you can increase your study times also. That means 10 to 15 hours is very important for making this 90 plus that means score. So for that means studying these times, you have to motivate yourself by reading different great main message. You can also motivate yourself by seeing your favorite hero, etc. So these things will that means boost yourself, so that you can read more times and give more attention on your study. Okay, so these are very important things. First one is revision, then giving mock test, then correcting this error what you have done in mock test, and then make this register copy where you will see that updations, and then you have to motivate yourself. And another is that you have to be courageous for that exam. You have to be a courage, because without these courageous things you are not that much able to give this full ability in your examinations. And be happy always, because happiness can increase your that means mind power, so that you can remember all these things what you have learned, that can revise it easily. In a sorrow mode, all of you know that it is not possible to learn another, that means in a so many things together. So you have to be happy. And next thing is that you have to take a good sleep. You have to take a good sleep, can give you a full energy. That means in this next 5-6 hours or 10 15 hours study. So a long sleeps, that means 6 to 7 hours sleeps can give you a full strength. So you have to take a good or a lengthy sleeps, that means at night. No more that means study at at after this 12 pms or 11 pms to next 5 to 6 hours you have to sleep. Okay, so these things are very important for your, that means scoring this 90 plus marks. This that means method I have not saying to you, I am always suggesting this all my personal, that means in offline based students also, because if they follow this, that means they have followed already in mathematics and examinations and board examinations and got more than 90% of marks. So I am also suggesting you, please revise these things and give this mock test and correct this error what you have done in mock test. Make this registers, and here you can update yourself what you have done, or that means what you have to revise now. And next thing is motivate yourself, so that you can increase your study times, and be courageous and happy. Always try to stay happy. Don't panic about this vulnerable situations. That means don't panic about these conditions what is going on. So you have to be courageous and happy, and take a good sleeps after that. So doing these things daily can increase your strategy, that means can increase your boosting power, and you can easily score this more than 95%. Okay, so these things you have to start today. You have to start from today. Okay, you have to start this thing today and continue up to the, that means exam. Okay, so after that exams you can relax, but these things, this strategy you have to follow seriously, not a single day you can just misplace it. Okay, so I'll request, please stay on the home and do these things and increase your scores in the exam. Okay, so thank you.